Hey, if you wonder how you can charge your AirPods Pro second generation, then we've got actually two methods, but you can use those two methods in like 4 or even 5 different ways. So first of all, you can for sure use the wireless charger by closing the case and inputting both of them inside. You can just put it like that, and this light will light up. So this is the first method, but also if you have smartphone with the reverse wireless charging, then you can put this case on the back of your phone and they will still start charging. You can also use this wired method, right? So in this case, I've got the lightning cable, but there's also this new version with the USB-C. And you will have to connect this right here. And when you do this, you will have to, of course, plug this second end to the cable, for example, into the charging brick of your phone or any other device. If you have here like a double USB-C cable, then you can connect this, for example, into the USB-C port of your phone. If you have USB-A like me, you can connect this into your PC, into your monitor, into your TV, basically into any other device with the power supply. So yeah, this is like all methods to charge the AirPods Pro. And of course, once you start charging the case, then your AirPods inside will also start charging automatically. And that will be all. Thanks for watching.